It's called amala. It's made from yam flour. And then we have the gbegiri soup. The gbegiri soup is the yellow one, and then we have the ewedu soup. The gbegiri soup, the yellow one, mixed together with the green one, the ewedu soup, goes together. You see, you can see the third slide, the third picture. So you eat the amala together with the soups. They are very, very delicious. Ladies and gentlemen, sorry for the pronunciation. The black one is called amala. Excuse me for the pronunciation for the Americans. It's called amala. It's not called oka. We have so many names for it, but the most important thing is a very delicious meal. The next one is pounded yam, the white one. And then the best suitable soup that we normally take with the pounded yam is egusi soup. We have egusi soup, the white one mixed together with the green, and then we have another kind of vegetable soup called eforiro. When I was a kid, I used to steal from my mom's pot. I used to steal this eforiro from my mom's pot. It's so delicious. There's amala again with another kind of soup. It's called akmo. It's a draw soup. So in case you're eating it and you say it's slimy, don't be scared. It's because it's delicious. Akmo soup can be slimy. It's really good. This is asaro. This is asaro elepo. This is asaro elepo. Asaro is made of yam. Unfortunately, we don't have yam in Sweden, but we have in the African stores. But yam is something like potato. So asaro is made of yam with tomato sauce and all the ingredients. I'm not a professional, but it's a really good meal. It's yam porridge, asaro. Obe alata is palm oil still with locust beans. Locust beans is Iro for my Yoruba brothers. This is also available, and then we have others that are much more common. We have rice, we have fried fish, fried turkey, fried cow meat, grilled chicken. We have jollof rice, we have fried rice, and assorted meat as well. And I'm sure many of us are familiar with this already. We have it in front of us. We have the pop puff. This is my wife's favorite. And then we have meat pie also. They are accessories, they are snacks for you to prepare for the meal. So, ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy yourself. The buffet is ready at the back.
And I will present the order in which we are going to go to the buffet, because we cannot all be there at the same time. Most of us are sitting by, at a table where we have numbers on our tables. So this would be a little bit of a jigsaw puzzle, that you know the table number that you are on. But I would first of all like to lead the table on my right to the buffet. I will lead them and take them to the table. When they are back to their seat, table one, when they're leaving, this other table will follow them. You don't have table numbers. So after the ambassador's table, we'll follow the table on my left. And after that moment, it has to be according to table number in ascending order. That means if you're sitting on table one, when these people are coming back, you look at your table number, I'm table one, then I'll follow. Two, and so on. So we can create a bit of order. I know we are all I'm looking forward to this delicious meal. So, hey.
Gracias.